See this crack? This little tear in your Dyson V11's cleaner head hose is the #1 reason your powerful vacuum suddenly feels useless. This problem is incredibly common. The small, flexible hose inside the main cleaner head is designed to pivot, but over time, it cracks from the stress. Once it tears, all that powerful airflow escapes, leaving dirt and debris behind on your floor. So, you've discovered the dreaded crack in your Dyson V11's hose. We get it. Your first thought is probably, I can fix this myself. That can-do attitude is great, but before you start prying things open, let's talk about the hidden dangers of this specific DIY Dyson repair. That cleaner head is more complex than it looks. It's a tightly packed maze of delicate wires, tiny screws, and brittle plastic clips. One wrong move, and you can easily snap those tiny wires, instantly turning a hose replacement into a complex electrical repair. There's also a significant repair risk in misdiagnosis. What if the suction loss is also caused by a clog deeper in the system? You could go through the entire repair only to find the problem persists. So, what's the easiest way to get it done? At Robocare, we've made the entire process completely hassle-free. Our trained technicians have repaired this exact issue on hundreds of Dyson V11s. We know this model inside and out, from the precise wiring of the motor head to the specific clips that hold it all together. We use specialized, non-damaging tools designed specifically for Dyson products to safely open the cleaner head without leaving a single scratch. Our process is simple and effective. We carefully disassemble the unit, remove the failed component, and install a genuine hose that restores perfect airflow. We ensure every connection is secure before reassembling it to factory-perfect condition. This isn't just a patch, it's a professional Dyson repair. But don't just take our word for it. Now we'll show you the results. And just like that, the power is back. Our expert repair restores your Dyson's legendary suction, making it work like new again. Don't get frustrated. Get it fixed. At Robocare, we make it easy. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.